Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava pastry. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed according to package directions, usually overnight in the refrigerator. Melt 1 cup of unsalted butter, clarifying it if desired, and finely chop about 2 cups of your favorite nuts. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth process. Prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly buttering the bottom and sides. Now let's start layering. Place 2 sheets of phyllo dough into your prepared pan, gently pressing them down. Brush the top sheet generously with melted butter, ensuring full coverage. Repeat this step, adding 2 more phyllo sheets and buttering them until you have 8 to 10 buttered layers. Then, sprinkle 1/3 of your chopped nuts evenly over this base. Continue building your baklava by adding 4 more buttered phyllo layers, followed by another 1/3 of the chopped nuts. Finish with the remaining phyllo sheets, buttering every 2 layers until all the dough is used. Before baking, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the baklava into your desired shapes, such as diamonds or squares, all the way through to the bottom of the pan. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crisp. While it bakes, prepare your syrup by simmering 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water and a squeeze of lemon juice for 10 minutes. Immediately pour the cooled syrup over the hot, freshly baked baklava. Let it soak for several hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.